Hey guys, welcome back. A couple days ago, Netflix announced that they're going to make a season 2 of Wednesday Addams after the successful release of season 1. So we're going to talk about the impact of the new season and what will the impact will be on the stock. And let's watch a few seconds of the video and we'll talk about it.
Over the past few weeks, I've been haunted.
I just love that part there. That's like when the ghost comes back in. This is going to be great.
Mimicked millions of times across the internet. It's been pure torture. Thank you.
More misery is coming. Oh man. They don't have a release date for season 2 because season one just started, in November. But it's been so successful. I think they had 1.2 billion hours have been watched for the first season already. 1.2 billion. So this is going to be huge on stock. And of course, now Netflix has advertising on there. You can get advertising for $6.99, but you see ads. So if you want you pay higher not to see ads. So I think it's going to be great for the stock. Let's go back here and finish watching the video. Look at this. They don't have an announcement yet, but I assume there it is. So let's take a look at the stock. And 1.2 billion hours watched. I think that's fantastic already. I mean, that's just unbelievable. So take a look back at the stock. We had this big drop. Now, this is a weekly chart. If you look at the daily, that was on earnings back in April. I mean, it had a massive gap down from 352 on earnings that afternoon. The next day, it went all the way down to 248. And then it went, obviously, down here to 166. And now we've almost pulled a double. Just, say 160, 166. We're up here to 320, almost 315. So as you can see, these levels I have drawn out. And again, this is a daily, but I'm going to switch over to the weekly. You can see this big gap right here. All right. I'll zoom in a little bit. This big gap right here from the bottom of that day before earnings. And then the next morning when it opened up, you get this huge gap. So, you've tried to fill it over the last, 6 months. Then now we're holding that level. All right. I'm going to move this one down. We're holding that level right there. Right. It took us all this time. We broke above it. Now it's going to act as support. So then we come up here, and so that's why this area here, the 315 area, has been a decent level. Now it come back down, and then it's making higher highs and higher lows. As you can see, the trend's kind of going up, right? Trend's going up. Not exactly there with that, but okay, the trend's going up. We can duplicate that and see that on the other side. So what I'm looking for here is our next test of 325, and I'll pull up here. So I'd like to see up here towards 330, but the next step would be 320 to 325. So I think it was a little overreaction on earnings back in April. Of course, they've had other earnings since, on the most recent earnings back here in October. They gapped up, from 244 up to like 280, so $40. And I think they're on rebound. I think people, they're going to pay for $6.99 for the ads, and then if they don't want ads, they're going to pay the $12 or $13, $14, whatever it is. But people don't mind ads every little bit as long as it's not every 2 or 3 minutes you get seeing 30 seconds of ads, and I think it's going to be a huge impact on the stock. Anyway, that's all I got today. Just wanted to go over that. Appreciate it. Make sure you like the video and click the bell notification after you subscribe so you'll be notified next time I upload a video or go live. The stock's unhinged, and I will see you in the next one.